Have Kate Shilley, who was here on the night of 26/11.
Thank you all very much for coming today. Generally, most films launches are planned as a certain celebration or whatever. But of course, we all know the significance of what happened at this place. It was a tragic event, and several people died. And one of the most momentous events which happened in post-independent India. Now, one of the main reasons I made this film is because when I happened to meet Farzad, the owner of Leopold, and I heard from him on a first account his experience, which actually gave me the idea of how to make the film. See, everyone pretty much knows what happened that night, but to see it from the perspective of one particular person, like any incident will be perceived by different people in different perspectives because they all have something else to take from it.
But he convinced me. He said, no, you have to do it. You have to play yourself. You have to let the world know what you went through. And he is very good in convincing. So I got convinced and I did my role. The trauma that we went through, of course, the world would see it now. I wish Ramu and his team all the best in what they have done. That's all that I've got to say.
You know, that was a day I was working at Reuters News that time. I did some good stories that day, and in the morning I was reading a news that some Russian, some province governor was shot. So I said, हर बुलेट पे किसी का नाम होता है, पता नहीं कैसे गोली लग जाती है लोगों को. So I was just laughing out. And that night, Kate, who's a friend from France, she had come.
Really expecting to speak tonight. It's a bit strange to see that a film of fiction has been made on the attack, though I imagined it would happen one day. Because for us, it's a reality that happened. But talking about the spirit of Mumbai, I know that as a survivor of such an attack, it's important to show that you're still alive and you're not a victim, you survived.
I mean, I strongly believed as a filmmaker, as a human being, that the attacks of 26/11, which happened in 2008, are not really against any community in particular. I think it's attack on human beings and committed by certain inhuman elements, though they were human beings. So I thought the most...
in my studio, the day this tragedy happened, I was doing the BGM, background music for particular movie, and suddenly I switched on the news, and I have to tell you that the whole night I was crying. The whole night I was crying what is happening. और सारी रात में वो 78 minute का I still have that vocal which I was singing and I was watching on television, and still that recording I have. वो crying, वो pathos आपको मैं because commercially उसको नहीं release कर सका, but I still have that 78 minute constantly. Somebody told me, my engineer told me कि sir you have sung the duration, and the duration was not important. तो इस दुख के जो हिस्सेदार उनमें से हम लोगों में से सब हैं, मैं भी हूँ.
Mr. Sukhwinder Singh. Mr. Roshan Dalal. Suraj Jagan. Kaizad. Please let them come on stage. Please let them come on stage. I'd like Nandu Ahuja from Eros.
मुझे पूछ रहे
जी
हैं?
जी
एक तो पहली बात है, ये जो मेरे लिए तो फिल्म है नहीं, और ये ऐसी बात नहीं है कि जिसको याद करके हमको खुशी हो जाए। ये बहुत ही घिनौना एक प्रकार था जिसको याद करके हम सोचेंगे हमें नहीं देखना। फिल्म बनाई क्यों है? तो मुझे लगता है कि डॉक्यूमेंटेशन तो है नहीं, इस फिल्म के जरिए और कुछ कहना है। मुझे लगता है वो मुझे सही लगा, अच्छा लगा, जो रामू ने एक किरदार के जरिए कहना चाहा। ऐसा क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है और क्या है, तो वो जो बताया है मेरे लिए वो अहमियत रखता है। क्योंकि डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के ये बार बार देखना तो हम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन वो जो कहा है वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात है, और मुझे पूरा यकीन है वो देखने के बाद आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। मतलब ऐसी फिल्म में अच्छा लगना क्या होता है? ना तो गाने हैं, ना तो डांस है, ना तो कोई नाच रहे हैं। एक जो कोई वाकया हुआ उसके बारे में और उसके ऊपर जो कमेंट की है वो कमेंट मेरे लिए अहमियत रखती है, और इसलिए मैं इस फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ।